Hello everyone, today we set up a professional and safe testing site to verify the effectiveness of battery aerosol fire suppression. LD160 is our low voltage battery. LD160 is designed for residential and commercial energy storage. LD160 battery has a built-in aerosol fire suppression system in case of abnormal temperature and internal fault detected. The aerosol system activated automatically and control the fire. Now we are at our professional testing lab. First, we use DC power to overcharge the battery. The battery will overheat and catch fire. Watch closely. Our aerosol system activates instantly and stop the fire. Let's see our battery performance. 3, 2, 1, start! You can see the aerosol fire suppression is activated automatically and the battery fire is under control. The aerosol fire suppression system activates immediately when a fire is detected, ensuring the battery remains safe, reliable and well protected. The aerosol modules provide fast and effective fire suppression, and the release mode is safe for people and environment. During the test, when the battery overheated, the fire was quickly controlled and did not affect nearby objects or the surrounding areas. The surface temperature of battery casing was measured after 10 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes, and the result shows a normal downward trend. The fire did not restart after 60 minutes or even after 24 hours. The test was completed successfully, confirming the effectiveness and reliability of the fire suppression system. In addition to the battery products tested today, other modules from SolaX are also equipped with built-in aerosol fire suppression modules.